Assalamu alaikum foodies, hope you're doing well in the ultimate lockdown. This is Fehmeeda here and you watching non-veg Indian cuisine channel in Ramzan special series. Today's recipe is fiery cheesy chicken. So let's get started and please watch the video till the end. Here in the mixer grinder I am adding 1 Kashmiri lal mirch. Now I am adding in a teaspoon of coriander seeds, few peppercorns, followed by a teaspoon of cumin seed. Now I am adding in a teaspoon of mustard seed. You can also use Dijon mustard paste instead of using mustard seeds here. Now give all these spices a coarse grind. Now you can see it's nicely done. Now I'm adding in a piece of ginger and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic would go in. Now I am adding nearly 3 teaspoons of vinegar, a teaspoon of hot sauce followed by a teaspoon of soy sauce. Now to tenderize the meat I am adding a teaspoon of raw papaya paste and I am adding salt to taste too. Now give it a coarse grind. Now I am also adding in a teaspoon of honey to cut the sharpness of the chilies. Now finally I am adding a teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch powder. Now make a fine paste. You can see how smooth and finely grounded paste is over here. Now add this paste into the chicken and give it a good mix. Now let this chicken marinate for nearly 3 hours so that the meat could get finely tenderized and the spices could sip in. Now after 3 hours I am adding a teaspoon of mustard oil. Before actually roasting the meat I am adding a teaspoon of mustard oil. Now skew the meat onto the skewers. Guys, the sharpness of all the chilies would definitely, I'm sure, would give you a kick. And this chicken is very hot and spicy. It could bring actually fire in your mouth. Now roast the meat directly over the gas flame. Please do avoid burning of the meat. Try to roast the meat in the way I am showing you in this video. Flip and turn, flip and turn. Roast the meat in the circular motion for the best result. Now it's perfectly done. The meat is nicely tender. Now finally I am spreading some processed cheese over the chicken. Now cover the chicken pieces with the processed cheese, or you can also use mozzarella here. Now I am garnishing the cheese with little bit of oregano and mix herb. Now again roast the meat over the gas flame. Here we are giving actual smoky flavor to the cheese also. The cheese is getting smoky flavor within the meat or within the chicken. Once the cheese melts, remove or dish out and serve hot. So guys, do try this easy to cook recipe or easy to make recipe. Please do subscribe my channel. If you like my video, don't forget to press bell icon. So until next video, bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.